Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my video where I show you results from the September in this case because we are at the end of the month. I will explain you idea behind the trades which I took and of course all those trades were also discussed in my live trading room, which I do twice in morning and Wednesday using classic charts and Renko charts, of course. But thanks to this, you can learn how to apply my strategy correctly when you trade. And also, I prepare a watch list where you can follow potential setups, and then whenever they happen, you can just jump in. This live trading room is the part of the advanced trader program, and if you want, you can join separately to the advanced, or if you join my mentorship program, where you find link below this video, you will also get access to the advanced trader program like a bonus. So you will benefit twice because you will get full package plus mentorship with me. So if you are just interested, click the link below, fill the form, your name, email, and just contact me. So we can speak, and we will check how can I help you. Okay, so now let's go to trades which are currently running. This is our table currently. No, we didn't get much profits, but still, as you can see, we are making profits. Some trades are currently running. They are with the plus. There were two losing trades, which also could be managed, especially GP New Zealand. I close it because I want to show you how usually when I do live trading room, I want to show you to stick to the rules. Okay, so those are like, okay, you enter or you are stopped out or you have profits, or if possible you can manage pair, like as you can see here. But this, if you have more experience, you can really close it on the break even and cut this losing trade. But like I said, I don't want to make it using my experience. So you can also see how you should start to trade and gain your own experience. Currently, we are 26.3% in profits, so it's good. I missed, like I said, I missed some good trades also, but no, this is trading. So let's see. Currently, I will show you all the trades from the list here. So let's take a look for GP New Zealand. First trade, it was idea behind of this trade was weekly long 1 to 3 with the retracement back to a 36. So after that, I was hoping for price to make another push up to the previous top, or maybe to the area of the resistance. But as you can see currently, we get just move up, and now price is pushing down. So we didn't get we didn't get continuation, and entry was of course after trend line breakout. Very easy approach to follow. 1 2 3, as you can see, entry a little bit missed. It should be here, but I think it was during the night, so I took it when I wake up. Stop loss here, and as you can see, we had this, and we were protected with this spike, and then we have one try to break this. So basically, you see, we have one, because what we usually expect, if we have 1 to 3, maybe some hesitation, breakout, continuation. Okay, this is what we expect. Here we have our signal. Price didn't break this, went down. Okay, retested, and we have another try to break this, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, around 8 10 candles holding this zone. So as you can see, in this case, we were on the break even. So in terms of the management, we could easily just close it, say, okay, price is not going anyway, I close it, and that's all. And then we don't cry if price breaks, and continue. Okay, and also another way of management was just to follow this trend line. So if your stop loss was here, you could also cut your stop loss by 50%. Then it will be not full losing trade. I decided to hold this, and we were stopped out. DAX. DAX is interesting because broke a very strong area of the resistance level from the weekly chart. So again, idea of this trade was that, of course, we are in the very strong up move, so price still might continue. We had, I like the spike. We had daily long 1 to 3, and my target was this. Yes, my target was this area of the resistance. Entry was on the 1 hour chart. This was trendline breakout, and 1 hour chart entry was here. Exactly, and we are still running this trade. Entry, first target hit. Second target was a little bit higher, but we had some news here, and price, you see, in trading is funny, especially when someone is showing you trades. Why? Because now my second target was a little bit higher here, yes, and I closed it earlier here, so I didn't wait. Why? Because currently here we were on the resistance. Very strong resistance coming from the daily and weekly chart. We have the spike after the news, then price went up, stopped for a while. So I said, okay, I want to take the target because now I want to protect my profits. Of course, price went up and closed the target anyway, but you never know. Yes, so it's easy to say after, yes, but it's completely different story when you have to manage when you see the things live. Okay, now price broke the resistance zone, which of course was that, and now it's currently we have it was 130 points. So currently we have around 7 or 6 to 1 with this. Of course, now we have to wait. No, I will manage this using 4-hour chart, 36 EMA. So I will wait for that, for another continuation. The thing is that there is no room, and we don't know where to close it because price is making historical highs. So it can also, just crash, and we will be stopped out. We will give back all the profits, but it can also start to run, like let's say here. Yes. So I will follow 4-hour chart right now. Everything looks promising, so we will wait. Oil, don't look for this trade because this is just the testing trade, so it's nothing to do with the strategy which I usually use. I took here trade against the main direction to target the 36 EMA. Okay, so this was the idea and possible breakout continuation. This is just a test trade for something different, so don't pay attention. What was happened? We have, of course, our trendline breakout, and we had this 4-hour chart long 1 to 3 entry. First target was hit. This was 36 CMA. Then I follow 1-hour chart to manage the second target, and I close it here. After that, I trail stop loss to break even to protect my position because this was the trade against the main direction. Target daily 36 was hit. 1-hour chart, as you can see, give me a setup to go long, but didn't go. So then, after seeing that, trail stop loss to break even, protect the position, and it was winning trade. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, losing trade. This was all. Idea was also this funny long 1 to 3, similar to the GP New Zealand. We have this trend line breakout on the daily chart. Price broke 36 EMA, so we had again. This was a little bit missed this entry. Stop loss was here, and this trade was managed when price made that. Yes, I said okay, let's cut the stop loss. Stop loss was here, and then price just reversed and hit our stop loss. So this was also like a weekly, from a weekly perspective, trade. GBPCAD, this is trade which was taken on Thursday. Of course, everything is pointing up. Weekly chart is strongly pointing up. Daily chart reached 12 EMA, bounced on that, also pointing up. 4-hour chart retraced to the 36, broke the 36 EMA, but this was combination 4-hour chart with 15-minute time frame. So if you pay attention on the 15-minute chart, again, I missed this trade on this account, yes, because this is a testing account. Here, entry here, it should be, no, I took it here, so you see I missed this. It should be here. Stop loss below, first target hit, second target hit. So as you can see, our stop loss was 45 pips. It should be 30. And now I just, because we reached previous top, which might give us double top, and they maybe will get retracement. If I manage this on, I manage this on the 1 hour chart because it was taken on the 15-minute. So currently I locked only like 15 pips. I need to see what will happen here, because if I get another 1, 2, 3 here, I will just cut again, move the stop loss to that. There is also another way. If you like, you can close everything. In this case, it will be 2 to 1 because we are on the resistance. So you can say, okay, I'm on the resistance. Price is not going up. Yes, it was hesitation. I will take it. I will wait for another entries just to cash my profits. It's also possible. Yeah. Management is very personal thing. It's the question is what you want to achieve. And Euro New Zealand short entry currently I aimed that level. I'm not sure if I still manage this because this was also taken on the 15-minute chart. So sometimes if we don't get momentum and crash, it will be very difficult because if I want to manage really to this previous bottom, I should still leave the stop loss above the 4-hour chart 36. Anyway, idea was the same. 15-minute time frame. Here, this was our 4-hour chart. Let me just go to 4-hour chart first. We have this 4-hour chart 1, 2, 3. Okay, and combination with the 15-minute time frame. If you pay attention, there was this entry. Stop loss was above the 36 EMA. First target hit, second target hit. Right now, stop loss around the break even, and it's also possible to probably. I need to wait to see the retracement. If price reject this, then again I will trail the stop loss. Or again, if you are a 15-minute trader, let's say, you don't have to do in this way that you wait for the retracement and management, etc. You can just see, okay, price just stopped. Okay, stopped. I have seen a couple of candles. Take the profit. Wait for another setups here on the 1-hour chart or 4-hour chart, and try to find entries. Again, it's really up to you. I want to show you how to manage in the long-term perspective because I also have such questions. Yes, and it also a good exercise to learn patience, especially if you see that price is going against you, to feel relaxed. Yes, okay, price will hit you. Okay, so but a lot of people are become impatient. They are they don't know what to do, like a chaos in your mind. But no harm done. Yes, price still can go here, make that, and continue. Okay, so that's why I want to show you this. Okay, so again, those are our results. Quite good, especially that I didn't take much trades here. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested to have such results or even better, you can join my one-on-one mentorship program. Link to this website you will find below this video. Just fill your name, email, just send me the message and I will get back to you. So we will schedule a small call. And if you're interested more about the strategy which I use, you can find my free trading strategy Swing Trading Master ebook, which is exactly the strategy which I show in my live trading room, which I'm showing you here. So nothing is hidden here. Yes, everything is straightforward. So I will teach you exactly same things which I personally use for my accounts. Below, of course, you have some videos where you can learn more about my process, and also plan my mentoring plan example, where I focus on the technical part, planning part, and mindset part. This is the most crucial part if you want to be long-term success in trading. So where I put a lot of attention to this. And if you want to learn more about Advanced Trader Program, where you find a live trading room, just go to the Nikos Trading Academy website, find Advanced Trader Program, and you can learn more what is there. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Wish you great Sunday, and we hear soon. Bye.